for Business is sponsored by Washington Federal Bank. Call us WaFd Bank.
Good Thursday morning to you. Brad Goode here with your Good for Business report. Google this morning says it plans to invest over $7 billion in offices and data centers in the U.S. this year. The move will create about 10,000 new jobs. $1 billion will be spent in Google's home state of California. That move comes at a time when many companies are exiting Silicon Valley after the COVID-19 pandemic triggered a broader shift to remote work. Now, the famous Chelan County maker of Aplets and Kotlets candies is shutting down after 101 years in business. The Liberty Orchards Company out of Cashmere, Washington, near Wenatchee, made the announcement on Wednesday. The company will close operations by June. It'll continue looking for a buyer for its assets, including the brands, the factory, and warehouses. The firm was founded back in 1920 by two Armenian immigrants who settled in Washington state before purchasing a small apple orchard. The economic recovery that we all are hoping for and that lawmakers in Washington are boosting through stimulus is still struggling 1 year into the pandemic. The Labor Department reports unemployment claims are still higher than at the height of the Great Recession, even with those relaxed business restrictions. Last spring, 22 million jobs were shed, and only about 10 have returned to work. This may put long-term pressure on extended unemployment. One bright spot comes from an elevated reading on manufacturing on the East Coast, coming in surprisingly high. So the markets are taking a bit of a hit, dropping from record highs as the 10-year Treasury spikes to a 14-month high. It's due to an expectation now of higher inflation and higher interest rates to follow. That has many on Wall Street pulling back from the high valuations on many tech stocks. Right now, the Dow is about flat, maybe to down about 2 points, but the NASDAQ taking a big hit, down more than 200 points. Be good to yourselves. That's Good for Business, powered by WaFd Bank.